So let's talk about fuel efficiency. So recently I went on a road trip with a couple friends, and on the way there we drove in the road with the windows down, and it actually made us use more of our fuel than usual. So we decided to ride back with the windows up and AC going, and it actually helped us conserve on gas. I just wanted to break down the fact that riding with the windows down instead of the AC, I know a lot of people have this idea that AC burns more gas, but it's actually more fuel efficient for you. It creates less aerodynamic drag, which is not as hard on the engine, so you're not using as much fuel where you're going. And I feel as if everyone should take note of that. And during these hot summer days, as you see, it's pretty sunny. Just turn the AC on about medium. Put the air on circulate so you're not getting that hot air in. And you should save up on a little bit of gas more than usual. As for if you roll with the windows down, you'll be expending more gas than usual.